In the race of glory, the sun sets. The 2012 FIFA Club World Cup. Only on Super Sport.
Lonzo?
Your world of champions.
Lonzo? Lonzo?
Hello, welcome back to Premier League News. A reminder of our top story. Chelsea needs to be more critical after going 3 games without a win. Arsene Wenger said he's respecting his contract despite the club's 2-0 defeat to Swansea and a pre-match protest.
Lonzo? He did breathe.
4 games in the Premier League this season and are now 10th in the table. Aaron Armstrong reports.
Moves around the Emirates at full time. Arsenal are dangerously drifting away from the top 4. They're on 10th, 15 points behind leaders Manchester United. Pressure on Arsene Wenger is Monday.
I believe we have to define the quality of our game back, and what we play today is not the way we want to play football. So it's more important for us to concentrate on the quality of what we want to do, the way we see the vision we have of a game.
Swansea enjoyed all the early pressure. Rangel twice denied by Wojciech Szczesny. Nathan Dyer also missed a great chance after half an hour. Arsenal didn't create a chance of their own until after the break, but Gervinho, who was selected ahead of Theo Walcott, couldn't take advantage. The hosts, though, looked brighter after half-time, with Santi Cazorla threatening Gerhard Tremmel's goal. They also had a penalty appeal turned down, much to the dismay of Wenger. But with 2 minutes remaining, Swansea finally took the lead through the informed Michu. We did here! Michu! He might just have won it for Swansea City! Arsenal tried to respond, but were caught on the break, allowing Michu to score his second of the afternoon and 11th of the season to move Swansea up to 7th in the table.
There's some difficult games coming up. Tottenham, Man United, with Reading, with Norwich, but I mean already 23.
What?
So let's see what we can end up with and be halfway through, and then I think we can talk a little more about.
Why are you laying down? I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Yeah.